Alright, so let's talk about the last 3 days, starting with the February FOMC meeting. As we can see, after um, the announcement for the 0.25 rate hike, the stock is going pretty well, especially after the Jerome Powell speech. Obviously, in the beginning, there's some volatility, but I think after the Jerome Powell speech, we see a big green candle, bigger than the previous bear candle. And then after that, it's just all really green candles with this one little pullback here. So we had two pullbacks, and then finally it reaches the this is the 20 bar SMA, and then again we have a pullback with, let's see, so one leg down, two leg down, and then a nice reverse signal here, and then another breakout pullback with a nice green candle. Obviously, this is probably a good area to go long. Until obviously the end of the day, there's a little pullback because it went up so much. This was, let's see how big it is. It's at 3.8%. So that was the FOMC meeting. And then the next day, obviously, there's literally nothing to hold back the bull market. It's been going on for a few weeks now. So continuation, we'll have a little continuation pre-market, and then see a slight pullback in the morning. This is let's see, this is a 100 bar moving average, pulls back to that at 7 o'clock. We see multiple tests of the low, and we have a lower low, and then we see the 9 bar SMA slowly going above the 20 bar SMA, and then final breakout pullback, and then continue to go upwards. 3-time pullbacks. This is actually the, Yeah, this is the breakout here. Let's look at the 3-minute. These are more subtle, but also we see a breakout above the SMA lines. Even though there's a bear doji, the next bar goes back up. And then finally break out. On the 1 minute, let's see. I mean, this kept going above the 9-bar SMA, so and all the red bars are very small volumes. Alright, multiple tests of the high here with pullback, expanding triangle, I guess. A slight pullback. A break above the high. Kept above the high right here. I guess that's another area where you can go in. Multiple long wicks. And then the breakout, and then let's see, a drop below the 20 SMA. I guess the difference between here and here is that oh, first of all, this is much higher. This is much higher. And then let's see, the RSI actually stay pretty leveled versus the RSI here. There's a huge drop. And then we'll have multiple oversold conditions here. And let's take a look at the 3-minute. I will probably get in here after the jump up. Obviously here, I will probably get in after the break. Like here. This is 11:10. So probably right below this. And we see a drop down. And then another retest of the low here. And break above the higher RSI. Probably get in here. Go up and then pull down. Failed. Pull back. This was, let's see, 1217. Oh, here. Yeah, it's a lot more obvious on the 3-minute. One test, two test. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two. And then Friday, let's see, Friday. I think the job market data came out and it was really good. So that's where the drop is. Obviously, we're in a bull market. We see a big pullback. So up, 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 up. Fail double top here. Comes back down. Testing the 200. And then failed breakdown up to 200. Nice big candle up. Keeps going up. Testing 1, 2. Nice big bullish bar here. Another bullish looking setup here. This is bullish too, I guess, but it couldn't go higher. That's when you know there's trouble. Also, the RSI is lower than the same level from before, where at the same price. We see a drop here. Attempt to go back up. A bigger drop here. Testing the SMA, but couldn't hold. Keep going down. And then reverse. Nice reversal here. Trading range. And then another breakdown. It's already on a downtrend, so couldn't hold. And then just continue to go down. Yeah, every time you pull it away from the SMA, it comes back. So down pre-market go all the way back up and come all the way down.